Today, I'm going to show you how to rewrite individual paragraphs using ChatGPT. This can be incredibly useful for improving clarity, changing the tone, or just giving your writing a fresh perspective. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is to select the paragraph you want to rewrite and input it into ChatGPT. Let's say we have this paragraph that I just selected from a random article about climate change. Just simply copy the text from a website that depends on where you want to copy on whichever individual paragraph you want. Then go back here to the ChatGPT interface, then paste it right here in this input field right here. There we go. Now, let's tell ChatGPT exactly what we want. We'll ask it to rewrite this paragraph. Step 2 is to specify how you want the paragraph rewritten. The more detailed you are, the better the results. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to make the paragraph more concise, more engaging, or more formal. Let's put up a prompt right here, right under the paragraph right here. Let's say, rewrite this paragraph to make it more engaging. Then send this over for ChatGPT to help you out. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now, notice how the new version uses stronger language and more vivid imagery? Well, it's not just a list of facts anymore. It's a call to action. This makes the paragraph more compelling and likely to resonate with readers. Step 3 is to review and refine the rewritten paragraph. Even though ChatGPT does a great job, you might need to tweak the text to better fit your needs. For instance, you might want to replace the generic terms with more specific ones, or adjust the sentence structure to better match your writing style. Say you have this prompt right here. Let's say, rewrite this paragraph to make it more persuasive. Now, the real magic happens when you refine it to perfectly match your needs. See, the initial rewrite might be strong, but by reviewing and making small adjustments, you can elevate it further. Always take the time to ensure every word fits the exact message and tone you want to convey. I hope you found these steps helpful. Rewriting paragraphs with ChatGPT right here can save you a lot of time and help you improve your writing.